This is my second vlog. Well, it doesn't feel weird like the first one, so I guess I'm getting used to it. Anyway, I think I'm gonna introduce you to another member of my family. How about Momo? That's Momo, the brown one. I know what you're thinking. He is weirdly handsome, right? He and Ted are my brothers, but Momo is different. Unlike Ted, Momo is always full of energy. He's a happy guy. Though he's a brother in the house, he has the soul of a kid. I'm not saying he's childish, but it's like he always finds something interesting in everything in life. He likes to play with things. Literally everything. Toys get his attention. He once fell off of the table and hurt himself while chasing around a dog. There's still scars, but it was okay because he had a great time. He likes to play with other cats too, but especially Sister Lulu. Everybody says there's something going on between them. You can always see them rolling on the floor and then fall asleep together the whole day. I like seeing them together too. He's clean and tidy, never mess up, never break anything, loves doing exercises. That's why he never sick. Momo is very friendly. I love him because he makes me feel like life is always wonderful. If you have a friend who makes you feel that way, that's a keeper. That's my vlog today. See you in the next video.